Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate coffee. First, gather your ingredients, including your preferred coffee and chocolate. Next, we'll walk through the simple steps to combine them perfectly. Finally, I'll share some tips for customizing your drink to make it uniquely yours. Get ready to enjoy a delicious, comforting beverage that's easy to prepare at home. To begin, you'll need a few key items. Start with 1 cup of your favorite brewed coffee, whether it's a strong espresso or a milder drip. Then, grab 2 tablespoons of good quality unsweetened cocoa powder for that rich chocolate base. Don't forget 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar or your preferred sweetener, and about 1/2 cup of milk to make it wonderfully creamy. Now, let's put it all together. First, gently warm your milk in a small saucepan over medium heat. Avoid boiling it. Next, whisk in the cocoa powder and sugar until everything is completely dissolved and the mixture is smooth. Finally, pour this warm chocolate mixture directly into your freshly brewed coffee. Give it a good stir to ensure all the flavors are perfectly blended. The best part is making it your own. Feel free to add toppings like whipped cream, a dusting of cocoa, or even some chocolate shavings. You can also try different coffee roasts or types of chocolate to discover new flavor combinations. Remember to adjust the sweetness and chocolate intensity to suit your taste. Enjoy your perfectly crafted hot chocolate coffee.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.